fly fishing for you.
Now today we're out for some fun. I love going scouting. I love seeing new areas, new territory, new water. But I don't like going out on water without seeing it before, especially if I know that it's going to be potentially really fast water. I have to be able to know that I can get up and down it. I don't have anybody for a tag car, so wherever I launch from, I have to come back to it. So I've been really interested in this area below the dam over here in Lenore. Tellico Lake and Fort Loudon both are held back by this dam. Tailwater right below it's really fast, I know, and I'm not going to even attempt to get up there. There's a boat launch that's real close. I want to check that out. It's potentially somewhere where it's a little bit more slack water. I might have to do some bushwhacking to get out to the corner that I want to see, though. There's a small trail there, but I really don't know how far it goes, you know? But I figure I can fish around a little bit anyways, go see some pretty things, maybe do a little bit of hiking, and explore the places that I want to go. And this is another place that I wanted to go to with some of my friends. If I was going to show them around, I definitely want to be there before I bring anybody else. So I like scouting kind of by myself. I can move at my own speed, you know, and make my own pace. I'm going to act as sort of a guide. I need to scout it beforehand. How could I not go to a place called Hall's Bend? Looks like kind of a scenic overlook sort of a thing for the dam. Kind of place you'd see day hikers and you know, somebody taking their dog for a walk. That's Tellico Lake down there, and I haven't fished Tellico yet, so I'm going to put on my tall boots and go see what we can do. Heading down the dam, going to go get closer to Tellico Lake over here. Not a bad little walk. So far it's a little swampy. It's kind of cool though. See when the water's high here, regular summer pool comes up about this far. It's down pretty far. And I bet that rock just loads up on fish when this is full. Man, let's go check it out. And this is normally an island. Somebody's fishing right out there too. Right on. Try to read the shore a little bit and see where it might get deep. Off those points. Casting it into the bay. Go look at this over here, this bush first. Just a little bit of silt on top of it. I made it pretty much right out to the drop off before I hit bucket level. I'm going to set up right over here and try throwing my line in. Jeez, that river's fast. I gotta check it out. I'm here at Kayak Dam. See that there's people fishing and stuff like that right here in the river. But that's the dam over there, and I am headed over this direction where the river meets Watts Bar, the main one over there. So let's see what kind of bushwhacking I gotta do to get over there. A lot of times along the rivers there's little fishermen's trails like this. They get way overgrown. Made it out to the main river. See, there's some hefty current going on here, even this far down from the dam. Well, that's my Scout. I've got Teleco dams over here with the launch. That's where I'd be putting in. All of this is real slack water, and even where it hits Watts Bar over here, there's a lot of current, but nothing I couldn't manage with that kayak, so I think this is still a green light, but it seems like most of the fishermen don't even bother leaving this area. This place is littered with boats. That's what scouting's about. Well, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This was awesome. I had a great day, a lot of fun. I got to see all kinds of cool stuff that I'd never seen before. I caught a surprise trout. I didn't expect that at all. Figured out that this is going to work out fine for a day of kayak fishing. Looks like these guys spend all day just going back and forth right in this little section. The Loudon Dam's not too far away, so a little fish jump. Anyway, me and my buddies would be fine. I'm going to head on back to the house, recap the day. Get out there yourself, have some fun.